Nice handful. Be generous with the tomatoes.
Come on,
good.
we can do it.
That's it, good. Well done. You're doing well. Welcome back to the F Word. Time for the main course. Escalope chicken with fresh tomatoes and mozzarella. Come on, guys.
Mozzarella.
Escalope chicken with sautéed potatoes and red chard. One of my favourite all-time birds. Chicken breast, butterfly. It was open, the whole thing cooks evenly. Egg wash, beat, flour, season, chicken breast, dust. Shake off any excess flour, into the egg wash. Just run it through and then into the breadcrumbs. This helps to keep the chicken breast really nice and moist. Hot pan, olive oil. Into the pan. Colour. Turn it over. That's what we want. Rest. Sauce. Shallots. Garlic. Tomatoes. Hot pan. Olive oil. Basil. Sauce. Mozzarella. Grated parmesan. Olive oil. Stop it from going dry. Bake 8 minutes. Look at that. Beautiful. Escalope chicken served with sautéed potatoes and red chard. Done.
Okay.
Right, nice. That's lovely.
Don't
On there. Hey, Tweedledee and Tweedledum. Come on, you two, let's go.
Yes,
chicken
sir,
in.
come on.
Don't boil the chicken. Over here. Yeah, and look at me. Yeah, lay away. Okay, I don't want you laying towards you. You're going to burn your fucking hands, yeah? Nothing's happening with these escalopes. You've got to cook them with some gas, some heat in there, yeah?
Chef.
Get a few more tomatoes in there.
A few more tomatoes, chef.
Oh, shit.
Sorry.
Good. That's right. Right, if you want tonight's recipes, you know where they are. Get going. Let's go. So in the early days, there used to be an 18 to 30 club rep, yes?
Yeah, yeah.
What were the perks?
Well, obviously, you know, the cock were like a blind cobbler's thumb at the end of it. But, you know...
How many times did you catch crabs?
Just the once.
Just the once.
So you can only catch them once.
The Attitude Game magazine voted you the #2 second eligible bachelor, yeah? Right. Is that right?
Yeah.
Huh? How did that make you feel?
Every hole's a goal, Gordon. You know that.
Oh, yeah. Are you gay?
No, bi-curious.
Welcome to 2008.
Welcome to London.
Welcome. Yeah, look, on there. Bang. Max. Want to get it on there?
Yeah.
Mozzarella? You should have mozzarella in your hand now. Come on, now.
Yeah, I got it, chef.
Amy, you've got to work as a team now, yeah?
Yes, chef.
Yes, chef.
Yeah. Good. Parmesan cheese?
Parmesan cheese.
And in the oven. In and out. Yeah, quick.
Chef, can I see
Go on.
on the parmesan?
That's yours. Right, let's do the garnish now, yes?